To make these beautiful cake decorations, you will need marzipan or almond paste, sliced almonds, black food color, you want gel or paste, yellow food color in gel or paste, or gold luster dust, cotton swabs, a small food-safe brush, wooden picks, or small skewers. The first step is to divide the marzipan into small pieces. I used about 1 ounce of marzipan to make 12 bees. Next, roll each piece between your palms to create a small cylinder shape, about 1/2 inch long. If desired, squeeze one end of each cylinder to create more of a bee shape. Next, using a cotton swab or a paintbrush, lightly coat each cylinder with yellow food color or gold luster dust. You'll want to use a paintbrush for the luster dust. I used a brand new eye makeup brush, but food safe brushes are available at cake decorating stores. And just lightly brush the dust on the cylinder until you have it coated. You can do it thickly if you want it more vibrant, or just a thin layer for a more subtle hue. And then using a toothpick or a very fine bristle brush, paint on the black stripes. You can do thick stripes, thin stripes, 2 stripes, 3 stripes, whatever you think looks best. Let the stripes dry and then insert the wings. For the wings, you'll want to find 2 almond slices that are approximately the same size and shape. And then just gently press the pointed end of a slice into one side of your bee, and then the pointed end of the other slice into the other side of the bee. Stick the bee on a toothpick, and you can place that in a bowl of sugar to hold them upright while you prepare the remaining bees. And that's it. Use them to decorate a beehive cake or serve them as is. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.